We guide you through how to track changes in Google Docs so you can review edits clearly and collaborate more effectively. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and look at the top right corner where the editing mode is shown. Click the drop down that says Editing and switch it to Suggesting mode. Once enabled, any changes you make, such as adding, deleting, or formatting text, will appear as suggestions instead of permanent edits. Other collaborators can review these changes, leave comments, and choose to accept or reject each suggestion. You can switch back to editing mode anytime when you are done reviewing. This feature is especially useful for team project approvals or document revisions, making it easy to see exactly what was changed and maintain control over the final version.